Scoliosis is a sideways curvature of the spine. It occurs more often during growth spurt, just before puberty. As the scoliosis curve gets worse, the spine rotates in addition to bending side to side. The ribs on one side of the body stick out more than the other side. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Tony Setiobudi, an orthopedic and a spine surgeon at Mount Elizabeth Hospital, Singapore. If you are new here, please help me to subscribe to my channel. I will continue to share accurate, up-to-date, and trustworthy medical information in the language that you all can understand. Most cases of scoliosis are mild, but some spine deformities continue to get more severe as children grow. Severe scoliosis can be disabling. It can reduce the amount of space within the chest, making it difficult for the lungs to function properly. Some patients with scoliosis have balanced posture. They appear as normal as people without scoliosis. Therefore, when the posture is balanced, it is difficult to detect. But if a person has uneven shoulders, waist, or hips, or one shoulder blade is more prominent than the other, he or she may have scoliosis. You can see a doctor if you notice any of these changes. This simple examination can be performed by parents to the child at home on their own. The spine needs to be visible. A parent can stand behind the child when he or she is bending forward with feet together, arms hanging down, and the knee extended. The parents should look for spinal asymmetry such as unlevel shoulders or uneven shoulder blades. In children with scoliosis, one side of the back of the shoulder blade is higher than the other. In majority of scoliosis, the cause is unknown. This is why it is called idiopathic scoliosis. Idiopathic means unknown cause. However, it may run in families. Less common types of scoliosis may be caused by neuromuscular conditions such as cerebral palsy or birth defects affecting the development of bones of the spine. Uneven wear and tear in the spine, especially in elderly, can also cause degenerative scoliosis. Then limb length discrepancy. If one side of the leg is higher than the other, the body is unbalanced, and the body tries to balance up the posture by forming scoliosis. Children with mild scoliosis are monitored closely, usually with X-rays, to see if the curve is getting worse. In many cases, no treatment is necessary. Some children will need to wear a brace to stop the curve from worsening. For severe cases, surgery is required to keep the scoliosis from worsening and to straighten or to correct the spinal deformity. In the next video, I will talk about some myths on scoliosis. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information is useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.